Okay, today we're going to make an angel. Okay, this is the angel that we're going to make today. Look at the angel. This is the angel that we're going to make, and it came to be together with an halo and have the little wings. So what we need is we already cut out the hair. We already cut out the hair and the face for the angel, and we need the wings as well. Each kid will get 2 of these for the wings, and this is the angel body. I already cut out the triangle shape and punch the hole already also. And we need another one is the bite cleaner. Okay. Okay, first thing that what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the eyes and the smiling face for the angel. You can use color pencil or pen. We draw the eye for the angel. A big smiling face. We can get the kids to use the color pencil to draw. Okay, we just draw the eye and the smiling face. The next step is we're gonna take the bite cleaner, and then we're going to start with the body first. We're going to go through from the bottom, go in and out, in and out, in and out, and then in and out until the last hole, in and out. Once we reach here, we try to pull it down because we need some space to put in the angel face, and we need to make an halo. Try to adjust a bit. Okay, we just adjust a little bit. Okay. That's it. Try to leave longer space so that it's easier for us to make the halo letter. And leave some part for the kids to hold. Okay, the next step is we're going to just out the face that we draw the angel face here. We open it up. You see there's a punch hole here. We go through. Okay, pull all the way down, and then until here. See? Until here, until the triangle here. See? Okay, here. And then we try to use some glue to glue on the angel face. A little bit for the angel face. See, here you go. A little bit, and then we just glue on top on the triangle, the body there. See, that's what we do here. We stick it here so that it still can move around a little bit. Okay. The next step is we're going to make the halo. How we're going to make the halo is we take the pipe cleaner and then make a circle on our finger. See, so that it look like, and then take out our finger. Okay, put it down. Okay, then we put it down. Okay, we adjust a bit, put it down, and then we twist a bit so that it will tighten it up and open. Just need to twist a bit. Yeah, just twist a little bit to tighten it. Here we go, we have the halo here. We try to adjust a bit so that it look more round. See, here we go, our halo and the angel body. Yeah. Okay, the last one is we're gonna do the wings. For the wings, each kid will have 2 pieces. So we're going to fold it to the half and press it slightly. Same go to the other one. Fold it to the half and press it. Okay. For the part that is open here, the part here is open up. So we just put the glue here. Little bit of the glue. Okay. Little bit of the glue on the end here. And then we just stick it on the angel body. See, this is the part that open. Here. Here. Same go to the other side. Put a bit of the glue here. And then same like just now, we just stick it on here. Here we go. Need a little bit more glue for this side. Here our angel. I hope you have fun making the angel together with the kids. Okay, thank you.